Imagine holding a smartphone that feels more like a professional camera than just a phone. A device that can capture stunning photos, record cinematic videos, and deliver lightning-fast performance all in one sleek design. Meet the powerful Xiaomi 14 Ultra, a flagship smartphone built for people who want the absolute best in mobile technology. From its incredible camera system developed with Leica to its powerful processor and premium display, this phone is designed to compete with the very best in the market. But is it really worth the hype? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, including its design, performance, camera capabilities, and why it's becoming one of the most talked about smartphones of the year. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is one of the most powerful and premium smartphones released by Xiaomi. Built with cutting-edge technology and a strong focus on photography, this smartphone is designed for users who want top-level performance, a stunning display, and professional-level camera capabilities in their pocket. Let's start with the design. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra has a premium and sophisticated look that immediately stands out. The phone features a sleek body with a large circular camera module on the back, giving it a distinctive and professional appearance. The materials used in the device make it feel solid and luxurious in hand. Despite having powerful hardware, the phone still maintains a comfortable and balanced design. One of the highlights of this device is its impressive display. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with a large AMOLED display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness. Whether you are watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games, the display provides a smooth and immersive viewing experience. With a high refresh rate, everything feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Now let's talk about performance. At the heart of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is the powerful Qualcomm SM8 Gen 3 processor. This flagship chipset ensures lightning-fast performance for multitasking, gaming, and heavy applications. Apps open instantly. Switching between tasks is seamless, and demanding games run smoothly without lag. Combined with ample RAM and storage options, the phone delivers top-tier performance for both everyday users and power users. However, the biggest selling point of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is undoubtedly its camera system. The smartphone features an advanced camera setup co-engineered with Leica, a brand famous for its legendary photographic equipment. This partnership brings professional photography technology directly into your smartphone. The main camera sensor captures an incredible amount of detail, producing photos that are sharp, vibrant, and natural-looking. Whether you're taking pictures during the day or in low-light environments, the camera performs exceptionally well. The device also includes ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, allowing users to capture landscapes, portraits, and zoomed-in shots with ease. Video recording is equally impressive. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra can record high-quality videos with excellent stabilization and dynamic range. Content creators, vloggers, and social media enthusiasts will appreciate the cinematic video capabilities offered by this device. Battery life is another strong point. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with a large battery designed to last throughout the day, even with heavy usage. Whether you are streaming, gaming, or browsing, the phone is built to keep up with your daily activities. When it's time to recharge, fast charging technology ensures the battery fills up quickly so you can get back to using your phone without long waiting times. The phone also supports modern connectivity features including 5G, ensuring fast internet speeds for streaming, downloading, and online gaming. With the growing demand for faster connectivity, this feature makes the Xiaomi 14 Ultra ready for the future of mobile networks. In terms of software, the phone runs on Xiaomi's optimized operating system built on Android. The interface is smooth, customizable, and packed with useful features that enhance the overall user experience. Overall, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that truly pushes the limits of what a mobile device can do. With its stunning display, powerful processor, professional-level camera system, and long-lasting battery, it offers a complete package for modern smartphone users. If you are someone who loves photography, high performance, and premium smartphone design, this device could be an excellent choice. So that was our overview of the incredible Xiaomi 14 Ultra. It's a smartphone that combines power, innovation, and professional professional-grade photography in one impressive device. If you want to check the latest price or learn more about this phone, make sure to look at the product link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.